Stop looking at the cam. Sarap na ka na. Say, yum yum. Ano ka? Ay, natulo. Sorry, Daddy.
Okay.
Ang bilis mo. Anak, don't push. Sabi mo, good morning po. Breakfast time. Good morning po. Breakfast time. Come on, this is my favorite. This is my favorite. Beef and potato. Sweet potato. O, kama na ka. Beef and sweet potato. Good morning po. I'm a big eater na. Good po. Pero usog. Magandang umaga. Say man ako, good morning. Eating with Daddy. Nako. Good morning, people. Beautiful people of God. Good morning po. Come on. Dali, anak. Hang on. Saglit. One at a time. Ito na. Yum. Yum, yum. Daddy, water niya lang eh.
Yep.
Nag-start na rin siya ng sippy cup. Naka-indri lang. What he wants is that he wants, sarap. I'm officially missing. Ay, anak ko. Very good. Ilan taon ka na daw, anak? 6 months po. 6 months po. 6 months and how many weeks? Anak ko. 6 months and 3 weeks.
No, almost 7 months.
Almost 7. Anak ko. Isaiah, here. Good boy. Anak!
Oh.
Can you wash that, Daddy,
Yeah.
please? Tignan nyo naman. Kahilig manghila kasi. Di ba, anak, magiging marumi yung ano mo, oh. Magiging madumi kung you have to put in the wash now. Ay. Bakit naman ganon? Oh, you drink first. Drink some water. Someone's watching you na, oh. Hello po, tita. Kama, nag-watch ka. Oh, it's okay. Say hi, Tita Aisa. Nagtatry na rin ako mag-drink ng water sa aking sippy cup. Kama. Good boy. Oh, is it done now, Daddy?
Yeah.
Nako. It stains his ano. Say hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Hi. Darna. Nakikiupo din si Darna sa chair. Anak ko. Okay. Good boy. Here. Anak, pag naubos mo ito is finished na. Anak ko. Here. Isaiah. He's starting to play now. Isaiah. Good boy. Don't bite. He bites his spoon. Good boy. Anak, let go. He bites his spoon. Okay, anak ko. Anak ko. Why are you looking at the camera ba? You're eating? Say hello po. Good morning. It's raining day today. It's windy and rainy day. Say happy birthday, Mama Jen. Mama Jen, happy birthday. See you later. See you later, Mami Roda. See you later, Nanay Reza. Come, please. Daming mami nagmamahal sa anak ko, ah. Dami nagmamahal sa kanya. Dami. Andito rin si Mami Lola ko, kaya happy ako. Saka si Daddy ko. Kamo Daddy Lolo. Nanak ka. Oh, it's finished na, oh. No more. Daddy.
Well done.
No more. Finish up. Chupu-chupu. Wala na po. Finish na. Okay. Daddy's gonna use it. Okay. Good. Why don't you hold your ano? Should I have some avocado? Should I give him a bit of avocado or no? Does he have blueberries still?
Yeah.
Can I have some?
Yeah.
And then his fruit feeder is somewhere.
See ya.
Ah, it's good. Ay, started naman. Okay. Have a bit. He didn't like this.
Probably need to finish these off.
Yeah.
11, right?
11? Yeah.
Yeah. Mm.
Blueberry anak. Sige na, kain na. Ito na ko. Okay. Come on. May tumutulo yung ano na. Oh. Ayaw na. Busog na. Full na, anak. You, I think he's full because I gave him a lot. Okay. It's almost a bottle he had.
All right.
Nako. That's your blueberry. Do you want that for lunch ba? Full na? I think he's full. He's not
Yeah.
Yeah.
He looks full.
Here. Here, sure. Have a bite. Favorite na to, blueberry. Hi, Tita Tisay. Sumato mo si Tita Tisay. Ano na? Hi, Tita Tisay. Come on. Favorite ko po to, blueberry. Kaya lang, ayan. Lusog na po ako. Katapos kong kumain. Anak ko, kawit mo si Daddy. Ayaw mo? Ayaw mo. Ayaw mo to. Oh, sabi ko sa'yo, gusto mo yun eh. Isa eh. Oh, mahulog mo yan. Kakainin ni Darna yan. Sige ka. Come on. Ano na?
Well, I got papaya.
Yeah, you got papaya.
Thank you.
Tapos ka na. Ayaw na. I'll put this on the side then. Magandang umaga po. Magandang umaga po. Ma, yung ano mo. Ay. Sige. Oh, ay ba. Close the cover.
Okay.
This one, just leave it where I have papaya.
Yeah.
Where's the... It's finished na eh. Oh, have some water then. Do you want your blueberry or not? Ha?
Should I put it in a bottle for water? Do you think you prefer?
This one, no.
No.
He's drinking more than that.
Yes. He wants papaya.
Busog na, ayaw na, ayaw na. Sige, kung ayaw mo. Ay, papaya yun, papaya.
Awesome.
No, he's gonna choke on that one. Unless you put it on the fruit feeder. Would you like me to put it on your fruit feeder, anak?
Papaya.
Papaya. Should we put on papaya?
Yeah. See if he likes that.
Pero he's full na eh. You don't like your blueberry then? No. Are you gonna have your blueberry? Huh? Are you gonna have this, no? Gusto mo ba ito, anak, o hindi? O sige, try natin yung papaya. Let's take this off. Okay lang sa anak, sa bata ang papaya, ma? Yeah, just little, put it in the end. Oh, meron man siya. This side. One more. Just little lang.
Yep.
It doesn't go in the end. Just give the whole thing in here. Ito na, anak. Ito. He wouldn't like this because it's much. Here. Try this. Here. Daddy give you some. Here. Ayaw. I don't think he likes this. Try it.
Orange bowl.
Oh, you eat it, Daddy. You eat this, anak?
Orange just wants to play with it.
You just want to play with it, isn't it? Okay, here. You just hold it and then... You're just gonna go sticky, anak. I'll just throw it. You wasted a papaya now and a blueberry na. But I'm full, so you're full. You want it or not? I don't think you like it. It's just... Ay, naku, anak. Busog na siya, Lola. Nagaluti ka ng lamit. Very good siya. Very good ka, anak ko. I put this on the side first here to dry it. Should we bring some blueberry for later or leave it?
We'll just leave it.
Yeah. Finish the blueberry then.
Yeah. Well, I'll go. Yeah.
If you I mean, God bless you, anak ko. Mahal ka na magkapinta. Kakain na ako ng Hindi na ako magla-lunch later. I won't have lunch later.
Oh, okay.
I'll have a big breakfast. Asan yung tinapay? Where did I put the bread? Say hello, Tita Cheryl. Asan yung tinapay? Where did I put the bread with it?
Not bad.
Ay! Manapay ni Mami. Max, mo tinapay? Ay, asan na yung sinabi sa inyo, ano nyo, yung... Saka na po tayo yung tinapay na binili ko para sa inyo. Where's the Welsh cake?
Is it in the car?
Is it in the car?
Possibly.
Yeah, you know what, where I'm buying that yesterday.
Yeah.
She's a bit nasty.
Why?
Yeah. This is like, you know, I said, oh, Welsh, I'm gonna get some Welsh cake. That is not a Welsh cake. I said, okay, but isn't it Welsh cake? And she said, no, that's winter cake.
Mint cake.
Yeah, so the winter warmer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but you can just let it say rather than keep saying something. You know what I mean? Ay, ito mo si Tinay, oh. Tinay Helen! Hello, Tinay Helen! Mali ka na. Yung, lumamig na yung ano mo, tsokolate mo. Ano ginagawa mo dyan? Hindi ka naman sa bed mo.
Siyempre lang si Daddy sasabayan ko.
Oh.
No, doesn't want.
One. Ma, gusto mo ng papaya? Hindi kayo kaya ako papaya, oh. Kain po. Hot chocolate. Saka ano. Hey, you can have some? Do you want some? Just some food? Just some food? Just some food? Just some food? Kain na. Ay, ikaw na lang. Ay, yan na pala ang trabaho mo, anak. Pambili natin ng gatas at saka ng pampers. Mag-vlogging ka. Daddy, we're gonna take that, in Loverstone.
What's that?
The food. So you
Yeah.
can have food later.
Yeah.
So you can put. Would you like some food later, or you're gonna have food later in Mama house? Go to Mama's house and eat your food there. Or you're gonna make a mess. You're gonna eat your food in there. Do you want? You wanna eat your food in there? Ah, what's this? You're just. Dirty na si Mami. Labahan ko na nga itong aking lasta. Ha?
Kaya yung mga yung labado dyan, Ellen.
Ha? Nilagay mo na sa dryer?
Dry nyo na.
Asan ba?
Andun sa labang ko.
Ah, okay. Si Isaac na. Mahal.
Yes, sir.
Would you mind putting it in the dryer?
Yeah, sure.
Where's Daddy going? Saan punta si Daddy mo? Sa labas. Magtapon ng basura.
Lahat ng basura.
Madaldal ka daw, anak, paglaki mo. Opo, daldal po, daldalero. Manakay? Lola? Ari ka, ari, say, you wanna go on na? Pabuhat na kay Daddy? Say, bye-bye po. Kakain na si Mami ko. Bye-bye po. Thank you po. Thank you po. Balik ka na nga. Say, goodbye. Have a good day. Take care. Good night. Goodbye. Tapos na po ako mag-eat. Tapos na po ako mag-eat. Sama ka na kay Daddy pagka ano. Tapos na, saglit lang. Mahulog ka. Ako sa'yo, hulog ka. Digidog ka pag nahulog ka. Kala mo, hindi kita, masasalo. Pag bigla ka na ganun. Saglit, Daddy. Oh, he's not helping. I can take this off. Saglit lang, anak. Oh, halika na, Marat. Sige. Alright, come on.
Tatlo na lang ito.
Alright.
Tatlong single na lang.
Okay. Sige, salamat po. Good night po. Good. Sige. Ay, tinan mo, yung bread ni Mami, nasunog na. Sunog na yung bread ni Mami. Say bye-bye po. Salamat, Tita Annalisa. Ingat po palagi. Ingat po palagi, ate, tita. Tita, ingat po palagi. Nasunog na yung tinapay ko, ma. Say bye-bye po.